All right, in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be converting radians into degrees and degrees into radians. All right, for this first example, and this one's really easy as long as you have that unit circle drawn. If you have the unit circle drawn, it's really going to be a piece of cake for you. All right, so on this one, we are given the radians, right? Pi halves. Well, what is that in degrees? So I just look right here on my unit circle that I've drawn. And this is why it's so crucial to know that unit circle. So you'll have to know that for the test. You want to make sure you can memorize this and be able to draw your own. But once you draw that, it's a piece of cake. Right here, I've got pi halves, which is equivalent to 90 degrees. All right, so pi halves is 90 degrees. That's it. It's as simple as that. Let's get a little more practice here. I've got 210 degrees. Okay, so 210, all I'm doing is I'm going to my unit circle. I'm looking for the 210. That is 7 pi over 6. All right, so my answer is 7 pi over 6. 480. Now this gets just a little bit more complex because my unit circle goes all the way up to 360, right? This is 360 if I go all the way around. And this one's more than 360. In fact, it's 120 degrees more than 360. Okay, so we go all the way around. That's 360 plus another 120. Puts me right here at 2 pi thirds. Now the catch on this one is we went all the way around. And all the way around we know is 2 pi in radians, right? So 2 pi plus we've got this 2 pi thirds. Okay, so I got 2 pi plus 2 pi thirds. Well, 2 pi is the same thing as 6 pi thirds if we were to write it as an improper fraction, right? 6 pi thirds. And then 6 pi thirds plus 2 pi thirds is 8 pi thirds. So that gets just a little bit complex, but not too bad. Okay, on this fourth one, we've got negative 3 pi. Okay, so remember when we go negative, we're going to go clockwise now instead of counterclockwise. So this is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. So we went all the way around once and then around half as much the next time. Okay, so that is going to be, let's see, if we go all the way around once, that's 360. And then another half one is going to be another 180. So we've got 360 plus 180 right there, which is 540. But it's negative because both of these two should be negative together, right? We're going clockwise on this one.